scanned photos with a FlipPal mobile scanner and ended up with FVF files? These come from a portable scanning device for digitizing memorabilia. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these FlipPal mobile scanner image files. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party FVF file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. A proprietary image file format created by the FlipPal mobile scanner, a portable device used for scanning photos, documents, and other media. Users with FVF files are typically trying to view, edit, or convert the scans they've made into a more standard format like JPEG for sharing or archiving. A container format designed to bundle a JPEG image with associated metadata, such as scan date, resolution, and potentially audio annotations. This proprietary wrapper ensures all relevant data from the scan is kept together, but it requires specific software to properly parse and extract the base image. The operating system preferentially attempts to open FVF using FlipPal Toolbox software from Courageant Inc. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows offers a viewer, but editing capabilities are minimal without graphics software. Open the menu by right-clicking your FVF file and choosing Open With. Test FlipPal Toolbox software if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the FVF file differently. If the FVF file is still refusing to open, it's expected. This is a truly stubborn FVF file. To find the error's source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, renaming extension. Try renaming the FVF file extension to JPG and opening in standard image viewers like Windows Photos, macOS Preview, or any image editing application. The underlying JPEG data displays correctly through extension renaming. This works in most cases since FlipPal scanners produce standard JPEG content with the custom extension for software identification. Next, using FlipPal software. Install the FlipPal Toolbox software bundled with the scanner or downloaded from the manufacturer. Open FVF files through the application, which recognizes the format and provides specialized features like stitching multiple scans for larger documents, organizing scan collections, and exporting to standard formats for sharing or archival in your photo collection. Finally, trying universal viewers. Open FVF files in versatile image viewers like XNView, IrfanView, or GIMP, which often recognize JPEG content regardless of file extension. These applications attempt to identify image formats by content rather than extension alone, enabling viewing without renaming the original file, useful when preserving original FlipPal extensions for documentation purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.